guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a ghost battle and I'm back with another video, baby. So guys, it's Saturday. Today it's Saturday and I have a hair appointment, so I'm going there right now. I'm just gonna talk to you guys when I come back because I don't have much time because it's a walking distance and it's so hot. So I need to go now so the thing I'll change. So yeah, let's go. I just need to get this hair done. I'm not gonna do something hectic. I'll be doing something simple, freehand, but I'll just show you when I come back. So yeah, I doubt I'll be vlogging because so I don't wanna make people feel uncomfortable, and I'm not comfortable enough focusing vlogging in front of people. So yeah, let's go guys before we are late. I still need to go buy hairpiece. Yeah, boom. So yeah, let's go. Bath and rest because I had a long day. Is not nice, so just wanna take a bath, then I relax. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys once I'm done because I'm gonna energy kuluma right now. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another day on the vlog and I am going to the beach. Guys, it's so hot. Today it's Sunday and yeah, I decided to go to the beach. I didn't go to church because so beach it is. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna talk to you later when I get there. I don't know what I'm gonna say right now because there's nothing to update you with, so I'm just gonna go now, catch up with you guys later. Bye. Outfit of the day, Mimi. This is my outfit for the day.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way. Close to your love.
Guys, I am so tired now. Just wanna go home. We didn't even go to the beach that we wanted to go to. But we just went to the beach next to Waterfront. Is it Waterfront Beach? I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah, we went there. We're there right now. It's nothing like, it's not even cute. It's not even cute. It's just okay. It's just a beach in J. So we just went there and yeah, man, I am tired. I want to go home. I want to go sleep now. Tomorrow is school. Yeah, I just want to go and relax. So let's go.
Even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone.
Yeah, I am so tired, man. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well, but there's nothing that I'm gonna do about it. I have to go to campus. So yeah. Okay, this is what I'm using. Gentle Magic's lotion for my face. I start with it and then yeah, guys, I just took a bath now, and I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep before you are late, because I know myself wasn't over late. And yeah, man. I submit, and I think we're gonna use submit today. When was the assignment? I'm going to submit last week. Submit her. Submit last week. Submit why? Because I'm not to just make Korean. Because me like if you don't mind, see, but let me say submit her. Yeah. Just in case. And then, guys, yeah, I use. And then I also use this serum, the Gentle Magic serum, after the lotion. Guys, gosh, I don't know if it's because I just took a shower now. What? But yeah, sure. And my skin was starting to break out because my skincare products were so appealing. But yeah, it's coming together again. And then I use lastly I use my Vaseline. Nothing much because I have an oily skin. So Vaseline, I put it just to give it that glow. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Let me just go check if I'm so in, because I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, let me go talk to you guys once I'm done before I'm home. So yeah.
Floor 13.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Hey guys,
What you want?
I just ate now with the tamasi and the cake. So what I'm gonna do now is sleep, because I am tired. I've been in campus since morning. So in Kateli, and I have a right to sleep. My mental health comes first. So right now I'm just gonna sleep, and yeah, I mean, because I'm sleepy. So yeah, catch up with you guys later.
Floor 13.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My opus front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Yeah, man. Catch up with you guys on the next vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Yeah, so good night, guys. I'm sure you can even tell by my voice, but no, I'm tired. I'm really tired. So